Here are 30 Lightroom presets for Lightroom mobile and desktop. I've been working on this for years now, so I'm so excited to share this with you. What you're going to get in this pack are 10 Lightroom presets for desktop, 10 for mobile, and 5 bonus presets for both desktop and mobile as well. One thing I've been doing lately is experimenting with different styles and looks for my photos. I've experimented with some vintage look over the years. I've been creating a lot of dreamy portraits lately as well, and I've been having fun with that too. I've been able to provide 2 links in the description in case one doesn't work for you, so you guys are welcome to try any of the links in the description below. So after downloading and installing these presets on your phone or on your laptop, all you have to do after applying each preset, maybe minor adjustments to your exposure, your highlights, your shadows. Most times all I have to do is adjust my exposure and my highlights and I'm good to go. So no matter the look you're going for, these presets should work for you. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys do with these presets. If you end up posting any of the pictures that you have worked on with these presets on your Instagram, all you have to do is tag me on Instagram with the hashtag #AndrewMadeThatBundle, and I'm going to be reposting some of my favorite photos. This is going to be 40% off for just a week, so you can get it right now while it's on sale. I'm really excited to finally get the preset out there after how many years. Really can't wait to see what you guys create. Take care and peace.